Hello guys, welcome. I hope you did great today. This is the second session in a topic that we're focusing that is known as time. By the way, I'm Sam Andy, as you all know. Yes, thank you for joining in today as well. So the second session or the second lesson in line with the topic time deals with converting units. So I wrote some of the relationships when it comes to the units of measurements when it comes to time that are over there. So as you can see, the first one is that is a minute is equal to 60 seconds, an hour is equal to it is equal to 60 minutes, a day is equal to 24 hours, 1 week is equal to 7 days, a month is equal to about 4 weeks, and then 1 year is equal to 365 days. One leap year is equal to 366 days. And then I also have some special shout outs to a decade, which is equal to 10 years, a century, which is equal to 100 years, a millennium, it is equal to 1000 years. So keep that in mind. So these are the units that we are going to be using when converting units of time. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. If you don't get it or if you don't understand this for the first time, just repeat the video and then you can get the idea of what we are talking about today. So I have examples that I'm going to conduct today. Actually, I'm going to convert today. So I hope you are good to go, and make sure that you have a rough book with you so that you can just write some of those things down so that everything else will be okay. So here we go. I'm gonna erase this stuff. So I'm gonna show you for the last time before I erase these relationships between these different units of measurements when it comes to or different ways of expressing time. I'll show you one more time, and I also gave a special mention to the centuries, which is 100 years, a millennium, which is 1000, and a decade, which is equal to 10 years. So I'm gonna erase this. Yes, so I'm gonna erase this. You check, make sure that you're okay there. Yeah, so here we go. Let me erase this piece so that we can be good. Yeah, 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 that is all. That is all. So an example that we can have today can be convert, then put a colon, then our number one here can be 2 hours to minutes. This can be easy because we're dealing with two things here. We're dealing with hours and we're also dealing with minutes. So you need to know the relationship between hours and minutes. And so each time that you want to convert, you write down the relationship before you go any further. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You write there. Then you want to convert 2 hours. You write the hours where the other hours are. In here, our hours are on our left hand side. So what about 2 hours? 2 hours is equal to more than 1. If it is more, it means we have to multiply. Then say 2 times 60. 2 times 60, it is equal to 120. What exactly? Minutes. We are done. So it means that 2 hours to minutes, we need to first identify the keywords. The keywords, we have hours, and then the other word here is minutes. So all you need to do is to know the relationship between hours and minutes. And the relationship is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours, that's more than 1. That's why I wrote more there. If it is more, you have to multiply. You take this 2, you multiply with 60. 2 times 60, you get 120 minutes. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Let me show you one more time. Like I said earlier on, if you don't understand, you can just rewatch the video. You write down in your Jota book or scrapbook. Now let's do our second example. Our second example here can be about hours and days. Let's say we have 48 hours to days. We start with the identifying keywords, hours and days. Then you then say 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then now, first of all, remember you have to identify the keyword. And the keyword here, the first one is hours. The second one is days. So you need to know the relationship between days and hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. What if now you have 48 hours? You want to convert these to days. All you need to do is take this 48, you put it over here, then you then divide by what? 24. Equal sign. Look at the alignment of my equal signs. They are in order. So 24 into 24, that's 1. 24 into 48, that's 2. So then we have divided here. We're looking for what? Days. So 48 hours here is equal to 2 days. You then underline your answer or just leave as it is. That's your answer over there. We're then converting units. I hope you got it there. I hope you got something there. Then let me give you another example, which is the last one. Then I'll continue to tell you guys to do this. If you don't get it this first time, you can rewatch the video as well. You jot down some relationships and then you can try to solve some questions as well. So we did hours to minutes, days to hours. Let's talk about seconds and minutes. Let's say we have 3,600 seconds. We are being asked to convert this to minutes. We're being asked to convert this to minutes. We need to know the relationship. First of all, remember you have to identify keywords, seconds and minutes. You then say 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. What do you want to convert? You want to convert 3,600 to what? 2 minutes. You put here, you put these seconds to where the other seconds are. So they go on the right hand side or to the right hand side. 3,600 seconds. Let me just write in short form sec. So if the number that we want to convert is on our right hand side, what do? We divide. We take 3,600, we divide it by 60. Equal sign here. This 0 and this 0, they cancel each other. We then say 6 into 6, that's 1. 6 into 36, that's 6. 6 into 0, 0. So then 3,600 seconds to minutes, it is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. We're done here. 60 minutes, we all know what it is, but we wanted to convert to minutes, right? Yeah, so we just leave as it is. So it is equal to 60 minutes. I hope you got something today, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Yeah, so I hope you got something. Make sure that you also like the video, right? Thank you, guys. I'm out.